Hey guys, so just updating you on futures right now. It looks like everything is blowing up. Everything's skyrocketing right now. The S&P future is actually up about 2%. U.S. Tech 100 is almost up 4%. Um, yeah, everything seems to be kind of skyrocketing right now. So I think they are kind of pre-predicting that maybe Trump is going to win, which I'm not exactly happy about. But we don't know, right? We don't know until we know. But the futures market is, as of now, I think they are kind of, predicting a Trump win. I think that's why they're rallying, but we'll see. We'll see what's going on because I mean because Biden, tech and EV and love Biden. So this could also be just a rally because they're predicting that Biden's going to win and tech and EV is rallying right now. So it could really go either way. I don't know, but just wanted to update you guys.